Hey guys, time for math. Let's start with a review of some of the facts that we've been memorizing. How many days in a week? 7. How many months in a year? 12. How many inches in a foot? That's the ruler. 12. Remember our poem? Inch, foot, stop, kaput. 12 inches in a foot. Now what about, and let me come back to this one. What about how many inches in a yard? Right here. My camera is up here. 36 inches in a yard. How many inches in a yard? 36. Now, how many rulers fit in my yardstick? 3. My rulers, there's 3. 3 feet in a yard. 3 feet in a yard. All right, let's keep going. That was 36. How many, 3 feet in a yard. How many minutes in an hour? 60. Let's count by 5s. I'll get my clock. 60 minutes in an hour. We count by 5s with the minute hand. Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 minutes in an hour. How many seconds in a minute? 60 again. You count to 60 and then the minute hand moves 1. Count to 60 again, minute hand moves 1. Count to 60 again, minute hand moves 1. 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Now we're to the shapes. Say what shape this is. Do you remember this one? Kind of looks like a rectangle, but it has a slide. This is the trapezoid. Trapezoid. How about this one? Rhombus. Very good. Nope. Maybe you said it right and I said it wrong. Not rhombus. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. Is that what you said? Maybe you were right and I was wrong. Wouldn't be the first time. Hexagon. Square. All 4 sides are the same. Rectangle. Too long, too small. Short. Triangle and circle. Very good. Okay, please find your counting chart. The one with 1 through 100 and the one with 101 to 200, the double. Okay, I'm going to say a number and I want you to find that number. Find the number. You know what? I'm sorry. Before we find the number, let's do some counting. Let's actually do some counting, okay? I'm going to hold, you can use the chart if you need to. I'm going to hold up a coin, and if I hold up a dime, you will count by what? 10s. If I hold up a nickel, you will count by 5s. And if I hold up a penny, you will count by 1s. All right, here we go. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Very good. Now, You said 39. Find 39. Maybe you did. Maybe you were counting with me. Find 39. Here's the 30 family. So then the 30 family is here. So her children are underneath. Sorry. There's the 30 family, and then her children are underneath. Let's say the 30 family. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now find 130. It's the same number except it has a 1 in front of it. 130. Let's say the 130 family. Go. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. So all we are the next number is the counting pattern is the same. It's just that there's an extra column, the hundreds column. Okay, find the number 23. 23. That would be on this side. 23. Okay, now what comes before? 22. What comes after? 24. Okay, find the number 105. 105. So that's over here. 105. What comes before? 104. What comes after? 106. Find the number 63. 63. That will be over here. 60 family. It's a little hard to do it upside down. Yep, here it is. 63. What comes before? 62. What comes after? 64. Very good. You may put this away, and I want to talk to you a little bit about fractions. I brought some pizzas with me today. Take a look at this pizza. This is a whole pizza. It has not been divided at all. This is a whole pizza. Now, take a look at this pizza. How many parts was this pizza divided into? 2 equal parts. That means it was divided in half. When the parts are equal, we call it half. Now, take a look at this pizza. First, this pizza was divided in half. Let's do it like this. First, this pizza was divided in half going down. Then it was divided in half again going across. When we divided in half going down and half going across, we call that fourths. Why do we call it fourths? Because there's 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts did halves have? Halves only had 2 equal parts. How many parts do fourths have? 4 equal parts. Now, which would be bigger? Let me fix my pizza here. Would 1/4 be bigger or 3/4 be bigger? So this came from here. This is 1 of my 4 parts. But this is 3 of my 4 parts. Which is bigger? 3/4 is bigger than 1/4. Very good. You have, in the zipper pouch of your binder, you have some farm animals. We sent them home with you. We sent 8 because we're doing the 8 addition and subtraction family. I want you to take out your farm animals and put them in a line. Put them in a line in front of you, and we're going to divide them into parts. Okay, so I want you, first of all, to choose 4 of them, whichever 4 you want to use. I'm going to get mine. Okay, I have 4. Whoop, I have 4. Let me point my camera down a little bit. I have 4 farm animals or pieces. Can I divide 4 into equal groups? I could put a chick here, a pig here, I could put a farmer here, and I can put I can! 2 groups of 2. I can divide them into equal parts. One group has 2, and the other group has 2. They are even. Now, I want you to take out, that was 4. Now I want you to take out 6. So grab 2 more. Okay, now we have 6. Can I divide 6? Can I divide 6 into equal parts? All right, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. I can. Did you do it? I have 2 groups of 3. I can divide them into equal parts. 3 plus 3 is 6. Is there a twin for that math sentence? No, because it doesn't matter which way we write it, 3 plus 3 or 3 plus 3, it looks the same. So 3 plus 3 or 3 plus 3 is the same. Now, I want you to add 1 more to get 7. Can I divide 7 into equal parts? Let's see. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. And uh-oh. No. Look, this group has 4. This group has 4, and this group has 3. I cannot divide them into equal parts. That's why 7 is an odd number. Okay, tuck these back into your binder so that they don't get lost. And take out your math paper. Math page 123. 123. Okay, the first step is always the same. I take out my pencil and write my name. Number 1, just circle the teeny tiny T's and come back and do it later. Number 2, you could do this later. I think you're ready to do this on your own. Number 2, count your money 1 step at a time. Number 3 is my favorite. I'll do 1 with you and you can do the other 2 later. So look down here. I don't know, but I've been told 10s are tall and 1s are small. First we add up all the 10s, 10, 20. Then the 1s go on the end, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And you could do the other 2 yourself. Number 1 up here at the top In Google Classroom, I wrote the combinations that you need to write under the box. So just like we will do on our test tomorrow, this is good practice. Look in Google Classroom, and I wrote out the directions of what to put. I want to focus on the dot cards. We're still struggling with writing subtraction. So to help you, find your Mickey Mouse math. Find Mickey Mouse math. We haven't used him in a while. You love Mickey Mouse math. So we're going to draw our dots on Mickey Mouse math, and then we're going to fill in the dot card spaces. So the first dots that you see are these red dots. So everybody put 5 dots on Mickey's ear. Everybody put 5 dots on Mickey's ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the blue box says plus 2. So write 5 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then write that in your book. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Or not your book, but your paper. Now we want the twin. To make a twin, we switch these two numbers. So instead of 5 plus 2, we will now put 2 plus 5. We had 5 plus 2. Now we're going to put 2 plus 5 equals 7. We switched these two numbers. Write that on your paper. Now, most of you are good with your addition and flipping them for the twin. Subtraction is what's tricky. Okay, so for subtraction, so erase all of Mickey Mouse math, and now we're going to do a full subtraction. Go ahead and write in all your dots. And we're going to subtract. Now, here's the tricky part. This does not say 5 minus 2. You take all of the dots to make your first number. So 7 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 1, 2. Now we're going to switch our dots, put 2 over here and 5 over here, but we still start with the biggest number. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Now it's these two numbers that crisscross. In addition, it was these two numbers, but in subtraction, it's these two numbers. All right, let's jump over to the other dot card. Now, the other dot card is what we call a double. It says 2 plus 2. I'm sorry, it says 4 plus 4. So, how many is here? 4 plus 4 equals 8. This is why 8 is an even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers are really great because we could divide them into 2 equal groups. Now, I'm not going to switch these two numbers. It would say the same thing. So doubles do not have a twin. But let's show subtraction. We can keep them here. Change this to subtraction. Again, we're not saying 4 minus 4. We're taking all of them. How many is in both ears? 8 minus 4 equals 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. We are not going to switch these two. Sorry, we're not going to, these two. We're not going to switch these two. It's the same thing. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. So we only need to write it one time. Got it? When we subtract, we take the whole number. All right. Number 3, listen carefully. The baby calf is 1 yard long. This is how long she is. Ooh, it goes this way. This is how long she is. How many inches in a yard? Okay, so 36. Put 36 in this box here because this is a separate question. How many yards is she? And then how many feet is she? Well, when you take your ruler, this shows me feet. She was 1 yard long, which is 1, 2, 3 feet, because there's 3 feet in a yard. So 3, 36. 3, 36. Number 4, divide the pictures in half, 2 equal parts. And number 5, circle 1/2 of the dots. So circle 1/2. These are all doubles. Don't forget to go back and finish this side. Don't forget to finish the top here. You do have a math test tomorrow, so work carefully, and it'll give you great practice for addition and subtraction. Remember also, you have speed drill 2. If you want to, use your farm animals to help you count. Do your best. Go slow. Think carefully. Bye-bye.